In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily add full reel to your Instagram story. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and first off, you need to head over to the App Store. Then just search for Instagram. On the next step, we need to check if we have the latest Instagram app version. If this button says update, just tap on it to download the latest version, and once it is done, we can open up Instagram app. Now guys, we need to head over to Reels by tapping right here. Then once you find a reel that you would like to share to your story, all you have to do is just tap right here at that button. After that, down below here, drag it to the left until you find add to story. And after that, it will add full length story to full length reel to your story. After that, you can move it around, you can scale it, you can rotate it, you can place it wherever you want, and also obviously you can continue editing that story. You can change background color, you can add there some text, stickers, some background music. You can use all this stuff to edit your story with that reel, and then to share it, just hit right here. Basically, guys, that's it. So if this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.